Hi guys, welcome to another video from DIY Daily. We're going to show you how to do the service reset on this 2007 Mark II Laguna today. As you can see, we've got the service change oil on the dash there, so we'll just turn it off now and run it through from the start for you. Right, so we've got the ignition off. We'll take the card out, put the card in. You just want to turn just the ignition on without starting the car, so keep your feet off the pedals and just press the start button there. That's it. Now you're going to use the button on the end of the stalk there, and you can toggle through. Once you get the dashes there, press and hold the button again on the end of the stalk. It'll start to flash, and you can now see that's reset to 18,000, so it won't come on for 18,000 miles now. Once that's done, you can just simply turn the ignition off. I'll just try to turn it back on again. Start the car up this time. You'll just check the oil first, and then it'll all be clear. Scan through with the button again there. See, there's no other warnings now, so that's that. That's all done. Thanks. Oh, you can see there as well, there is actually the counter, so we'll actually count down, so you can just go and check on that in the future if you want, see where it's up to. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you next time.